Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make payment through Flywire, so make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step. At first, you're going to head over to Flywire Payments on the official website. As you can see that they have the healthcare payments, education and everything, so you could just check everything. So are you looking to make a payment? So yes, we are doing that. So we're going to click on visit our payer site. As you can see, now it's asking us to select the institute, so you're going to search for your institute. For now, just for the example, I'm going to say add Astra, and then I'm going to click on continue. So the payment will come from here. You need to select your country. Let's say you're from Canada, and then the amount that you want to put is $500, and then we click on next right over here. So now it's asking if you want to do a bank transfer or online bill, and the supported ones are RBC, TD Bank. As you can check, you can also do a PayPal, credit, American Express, so all these things. So let's say we want to do a bank transfer, so we click on a bank transfer, and then as you can see, you have to put your email, first name, middle name. Just fill out all of this information, click on next, just follow the steps, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.